Hello everybody, my name is Paweł and welcome to CostViewer Importing Values tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import values into already existing tree. In one of previous tutorials we talked about importing trees and their structure into CostViewer. This time I'm going to show you how to change, update values in already existing tree by importing new set of data. This is a very useful feature whenever you happen to have a tree with pretty static structure, but which requires regular update with data. For example, your tree might represent chart of accounts which needs to be updated from now and again, like every month or a quarter. Okay, so let's cut to the chase. There are two ways how you can import values. The first way is you can just copy and paste data from clipboard. Note that you can copy-paste more than one column at a time. And note that whatever data you paste, it is validated. That means, for example, that you cannot paste text into a column number. This is a very handy way which can be used for relatively small amount of data. This is because whenever you paste data, values are automatically updated all the way up. That means data is rolled up the tree. And this can be a very time-consuming process in case you deal with massive trees. So I would not recommend you copy-paste data from clipboard using more than few dozens of rows. Another way of doing this is to use CostViewer Excel add-in number 2, upload values. Using this upload, you can literally upload dozens of thousands of records in a blink of an eye. In order to upload values, what you need is at least a table with one column named ID and other columns with headers representing the columns you want to upload your data into. Let me demonstrate to you how to do it. Let's suppose I want to change values in this tree in columns meters and surface by up 20%. To do that, first I need to check what ID each node has. So I need to disclose ID column in that tree. I've already done it here, but let's suppose I don't have it. So then I need to locate it, and just put it here. Okay, cool. Now the easiest way to upload these numbers in these two columns is to export that tree to Excel as a first step. Following that, I could amend exported data in Excel and as a last step upload the table into CostViewer. Let us do it now. So I have the tree exported in Excel, and now all I have to do is amend those two columns. But actually, let me show you a little trick here. The tree I have just exported has too many rows. For example, it has plenty of key nodes. It has plenty of key nodes that I don't need. So let me go back to CostViewer and tweak the tree layout a little bit and then export it one more time. Now it's much better. So now I have the tree in much more condensed format. I don't need those columns. That's what I need here, yeah? So I can just do this. And the tree is tenants. Done. I just opened the same tree in the second pane just to show you how now numbers changed, up by 20%. So it's done. As you can see, it's pretty quick process to upload data. I just reloaded the tree to see the numbers being updated. Last but not least, if you happen to upload leaves values only without amending folders values, then once you upload your values, following that you need to click on Fix Subtotals icon. This function will recalculate folders values. Thus, it will make sure your uploaded values will be updated all the way up the tree. By that, I mean the values will be rolled up. Let me show you quickly what I mean by that. Let's upload values just for the top 3 tenants. Tenant 1, 2, and 3. Their IDs are 3, 4, and 5. So in Excel I have those values which I'm going to upload. Meters, surface, parameters for those 3 tenants. As you can see, I have those values updated, but my folders values remain unchanged. This is because I have directly injected values into database without amending folders values. In previous example, we applied 1.2 factor to both leaves and folders, because we wanted meters and surface to be increased by 20%. Now it is not the case. We've just uploaded leaves values, but no folders were updated. Let's click this icon then. As you can see, subtotals are recalculated now. That's it. In this tutorial I have demonstrated how to import values into Cost Viewer. As you can see, the software communicates with Excel very efficiently, and uploading values is pain-free process. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time. Bye.